Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, let us see a term called mass customization. Mass customization is the process of delivering market goods and services that are modified to satisfy a specific customer's need. Mass customization is a marketing and manufacturing technique that combines the flexibility and personalization of custom-made products with the low unit cost associated with mass production. Other names for mass customization include made to order or built to order but with a higher volume. Mass customization allows a customer to design certain made-to-order features of a product while still keeping costs closer to that of mass-produced product. In some cases, the component of the product are modular. This flexibility allows the client to mix and match the option to create semi-customized final product. Mass customization may apply to many fields, but many connected to the retail industry. Software creator may use this method to include software-based product configuration that enable end users to add or change specific function for a core product. Even the financial service industry embraces mass customization through the growth of independent fee-only advisory firms. Certain furniture manufacturing company offer mass customization by providing multiple options for various components or features. This flexibility may include different fabrics, furniture legs, or pieces that combine in numerous configurations. Also, modular home builder use mass customization model by allowing customer to make changes to the base home packages. Benefits are higher. This enables manufacturer to delay the step of product differentiation until the final phase of manufacturing. Rather than the manufacturer deciding on the feature that make that product unique, mass customization allows the customer to make this decision. For some consumers, the ability to customize a product is enough to sway their buying decision in favor of one company over another. Thanks for watching. Bye.